If the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressed as 210 into 5 plus 55m, then find the value of m. So here the HCF of 210 and 55. So first I'll find the HCF of 210 and 55. 210, 55. 55 prime factors are like 5 into 11. 210, if I'll find prime factors, 2 times 105. Next 3 times 35. 5 times 7. So prime factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So HCF is product of common prime factors. Product of common prime factors with the least power. With the least power. So here, so HCF is clearly common prime factors. We have only common prime factor is 5 and power is also 1 only. So HCF is 5. Now they told HCF is expressed in this form, like so here. So 210 into 5 plus 55m equals 5. So first multiply 210 into 5. So 0, 5, 10 equals 55m equals 5. So now we need to find m. So 55m equals 5 minus 1050. So here you'll get 55m equals minus 1045. So m equals minus 1045 by 55. 5 times 11, 5 times 2 and 5 times 9. Now here 11 times 1, 11 ones 11, 9 is left, 99, 11 nines. So m equals minus 19. So the value of m is minus 19. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.